So folks, welcome back. Today, we're going to take a look at this cool product here. I was looking around for something to kind of bridge the gap between my big Mambo Jumbo Honda snowblower, which is great for huge storms, and then all the way down to a snow shovel, but I don't really have anything in between. And so that's where this comes in, this product from Mellif here. I started looking around for something like this and contacted them, and they offered to send this to me for the purposes of review. So thank you for that. We're going to get this assembled and get it all set up, and we'll see how it looks. Now, one of the things Mellif makes that I took note of was they make the same tool but compatible with different batteries. I know there's a default version out there. This particular one uses Makita batteries. So they have a Makita compatible battery that comes with it. And I also have plenty of my own regular standard Makita batteries that I can use with this as well. And so in case you don't have Makita batteries or whatever, you still have, they give you a charger and they give you a battery to at least start with, which is cool. Now it looks like the battery pretty much came charged from the factory here. With the charger, it says it's got overheat protection, overcharge protection, short circuit protection, and all that. So assembly on this is super easy. Pretty much there's 3 pieces. They go together exactly like puzzle pieces. They're perfect. They can't go any other way. They just slide in. You just need to make sure that they are kind of fully connected with one another. And then these little circular things here, just tighten them down to hold everything together. And that's it. So potentially too, if you did need to break this down for storage, you could go and easily take it back apart just by unscrewing that and unscrewing the other one and putting it back to the 3 pieces. Controls here are pretty simple. The battery slides in on the bottom there. I've tried it out with both batteries. I've tried it with the Makita and the one that came with the tool. Works great. We'll see how it operates here in a second. Got a safety right here that you have to push in either from either side. And then once you do that, you can go ahead and pull the trigger and it'll activate. So that way you can't accidentally activate it without pushing the switch in on either side, you know, with your thumb or whatever. You have a handle here to hold it too. And then down at the bottom, you can see the little red switch there. You can turn that to the left or right to adjust which way the snow is thrown. It also makes mention in the instructions not to use this on gravel. That could potentially damage the whole little turbine thing going in there, and not to like feed sticks and other stuff. Just use common sense when you're using it pretty much. So folks, we're waiting for the snow to fall, but we're getting ready here in October for winter to come. And so fortunately we got this and got it all put together. It's going to be waiting for that first snow to come down. But yeah, everything so far is looking good. We're going to be doing more videos with it in the future, so stay tuned. And right now it's kind of looking just exactly what I wanted. Something to fill the gap between that huge snowblower and then a shovel. So I think this is going to work out pretty good. It rolls along on kind of a little plastic kind of bar there. So it looks like it's easy to push around and everything and all that. So anyways, check back in. We'll have more videos coming up with it soon, and we'll see you all then.